Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go, guys.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has just activated the emergency alert system as a test. The warning alarms on weather radio stations M52, WWD 44, WNG 579, KJY 81, WW 23, WXM 54, WXM 56, AWN 16,
Can you talk?
WNZ 664 have also been activated as tests. During potentially hazardous weather situations, broadcasters and officials participating in the emergency alert system and those with specially built weather receiver are automatically notified of the hazard by the preceding digital code and warning alarm. Tests with the digital code and warning alarm are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between
Can you
11
talk?
and noon. If hazardous weather threatens near the normal test time, the test is postponed to the first good weather day. The digital code and warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warning, effective in South Central and South Colorado. For more information